Hi everyone, let's continue one more data frame kind, that is set. So I had already mentioned here, you know very well, when we don't want to run any function, simply we would write to like a command or an a writing statement. So what we have to do, we are going to use hash. Right. So here is set. I had used term hash and I had written as a statement set. And what is actually set? Set is unordered. Whatever you have to write to, I mean, there would not be proper sequence. Same you had written, and output when you are going to print, that would not be same output, and that would be unindexed collection of elements. So I mean, previously we had used how we have to index 1 2 3 in that way, but here is unindexed collection of elements, and here is we are going to use curly braces. So I had used curly braces to run this set function, and that is mutable. I mean, we can change all the values those are put it earlier in curly braces. Suppose we want to change these values, so we can do change, and duplicates are not allowed. So these are the some rules of the set. So one by one we are going to run this set function, how it is working. So let me start this, all these protocols we are going to follow. And number one is st. I had created a one variable. In this variable I had put it one number 4. I had put it one string, that is ashu, and one logical statement is true, and there is the one floating variable I had put at 6.24. So let me run this, and I just want to print st. What is this in this variable? So simply I would run. So now you can see in this variable, these are the variables are available for 6.24 ashu true, but you can see here unordered. You can see I had mentioned over here set is unordered. So you can see here I had put it 4, then ashu, then true, then 6.24. But here as you can see, first is numeric, then floating, then string, then last one is logical variable. So here is number one. I want to incorporate. Here is, let's say, one more thing, right? Suppose I had given 4 ashu true 6.24 and 4 again, because I said duplicates are not allowed. So I had put it 4 again. So let me run this, and now I want to print this st. So whether this 4 is not reflecting over here, because duplicates are not allowed. And suppose let me I would like to give, that is I had played with a number. Let me enter here is, I just want to put there is again ashu, right? And let me run this, and let me print this. So you can see only once ashu is reflecting and only once 4 is reflecting. That means duplicates are not allowed. Now suppose I want to add one more name, that is my name. This one is the name I would like to incorporate in this variable sobi. So what I did, I will use this function st.add, and I would write this. This one is the within the inverted comma. This is the string, and let me run this, and let me print this st. And now you can see here this sobi is incorporated in this variable. But add is, let's say, I just want to add along with this sobi this number also. Let me run. What will happen? Let's see. It will not incorporate. It will show you it is an error, right? Error is set.add takes exactly one argument, but what I had given two arguments. It will take at a time only one argument. So let me remove this, and after that once again we will run. So now you can see, now it's perfectly all right. Now, suppose I want to remove something in this variable, right? Any argument, I would like to remove this. So I just want to remove this term is ashu, right? So what will happen? You can see here. set.remove Ashu, right? And simply I would like to run this, and after that I want to print this. So what could be the output, right? You can see here, I mean, this one is the key error Ashu, right? So what would happen? Let me check. This one is the ASHU set.remove, and I'm sure everything is rain set.remove Ashu. Okay, fine. And set dot remove, because let me check once. Set dot remove, rather than Ashu, what we have to do, let me write here set dot remove Sobi, right? So let me run this, and after that, what, let me print this. So you can see here what is happening. Okay, fine, sorry, there is no need to print this, simply when you have to run, and now right, and this is already removed. And what we have to do, then you would like to update something, right? You would like to update something, let's say st dot update. So I just want to incorporate 789, and this one is, so here is, you can see what is the difference between add and update. Add, we were using only one argument, we were incorporating at a time, but here is simultaneously we can incorporate number of arguments at a time. So 789, then Amit, and let me run this. But you can see here round brackets, then square brackets. Please don't forget this thing. Let me run this. Right. So now you can see here, I mean, that is updated. So 4, 6.4, 789, then Amit, then true. Right. All these things are incorporated. Now we come to the union of two sets. Union of two sets, let's say st1, this is the one variable where I had put it the values 892 and BBA. And let me run this, and let me print this, what is actually it is available in this variable or not. So after printing this st1, I have found 289 and BBA. So let me put this st union. I would like to unite both these things in the one variable. So what function I'm going to use? St dot union, then st1. Let me print run. Then after that, you can see here, all these things are in one single variable. All seven, this one is the 2, 8, 9, and BBA. That is also incorporated. Output is available here. Now I had created, there's the one more variable st2. In this variable, I had put it three values, 2, 4, 5, and in st3 I had put it values 5, 8, 9, 3, 4. So let me, I think we can run this also. Before this, how it would be output, you can see a 2, 4, 5, and let me print this also as t3, and we can see whether these things available in the variable. Now what I want intersection of these two sets. I had created these two sets, st2 and st3. Intersection function we are going to use when we want to see what is the common number in both the variables. So I had used this function st2 dot intersection st3, and let me run this. Now you can see here 4 and 5, these are the two common numbers, because 4 is available in this st3 variable also, and in st2 variable also. So 4 and 5 are the common variables. So that is all about all the data frames. I'm sure you understand all four kinds of data frames, and we have learned, and in my various various videos that is available in my playlist is Python, so tuple, right, as well as I had given you, this one is the list, and then I had already used, there is the one function dictionary. I mean, one data frame is dictionary, and after that I had used, last one is the set. So I'm sure all four kinds of data frames are easily clear to you. I'm sure, do practice and keep watching. Thank you. Keep watching.